I'm joining Pola. I'll start off. So I'm gonna share out my screen to don't on you. We have a fixed time. Okubanga tugenda kubanga tukola tutya. Njagala sharing a screen nga bantu bajoininga. Okay. Subscribers nga tebana joininga bamala. Manye bikoya, some people ate na missing ate pesetia. Sina screen ya mama bifuni. Loading. Sina screen ya bifuni. I'm going to sharing something of my trading view. I'm going to sharing my trading view. I want to share out my trading view. Okay, traders. Now, I'm saying very few people. So, participate in trading this week. I'm going to see 7 parts. I'm going to start up with more analysis. To be very quick, I'm starting off with all analysis. Where are my charts? Okay. So, we can go to the Atamuranga last week. Go the Atamuranga according to our expectations. According to our expectations about our job and trading alive. Normally, these things both done as we had calculated. So, normally we shall go back to the weekly time frame. Okay. So we're gonna go to our weekly time frame. Like not just monthly to be the easiest way. Monthly is a reset up the house of engine jail because in cut better something new. I know like some mukiriza meeting na jambo kama chemsha. Aha. So when it comes to the monthly chart, this is what I'm saying. Normally, to have maybe do even recent, you're gonna come out and find out the heights that we know, the heights that we have here, which we can analyze important. Okay. So this is our goal to set up. From there, I'm going to mark the heights. According to what we're saying, I'm seeing the heights. We're having 3 tops there. Normally, they call them the triple tops on the weekly, on the monthly. According to the analysis setup that I use, it would have been better for me to mark this area. You see? But according to me, the person that is trading depending on, I always depend on rejection points. Rejection points, I would have marked my area here, according to the 3 touches that I'm seeing here. And I'm going to make that one to give it a difference. You see, I'm going to make it, I'm marking depending on this, down which, and this one and which. You understand? So, according to what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing the market is trying to give us something of this kind from here. What I'm from here, the market is giving us a top. Then from that top, we proceed downwards. Then from there, we receive to this another second touch. Then this one came downwards. Normally, this one, we call it the liquidity sweep. It came downwards to collect some liquidity. You understand? After sweeping up some liquidity from there, that area, then it had to go back upwards. I'm going to come back to this to explain this more clear. If you look at the price action areas, there, according to the previous charts, we are having some imbalance there that the market was trying to figure out. Then after figuring it out, then try to go back. Any energy candles there. Remember, I'm talking to the monthly time frame. So after that touch there, the market tried to come back to give us the triple move. So it means that for us to be, we are having our expectations, the market has to come to fill this area because that area we have been somewhat some rejection. I don't know whether you guys have seen what I'm saying. So after us observing something much kind, it means that the market is still in the downtrend. It is still in the what? In the downtrend. I remember last time I was here on the same area and I did the same thing I'm doing today. So after I find that, it means that the market will have to come back just to this area or going back upwards or even breaking downwards. Because even this down, we're having some imbalances. I don't know whether you guys also see what I'm saying. So we remove that. The distance again. So after you seeing something like that, you proceed to make it somehow right for you to be with clear view. I don't know whether you're saying what I'm saying here. So in this area, after identifying these two areas, normally you people you call it the support resistance. So after me observing the resistance level and the support level, and according to what I'm saying here, I'm having two supports. Why am I making this downward to be my major support area? It's because this candle had to come to fill this imbalance. We have some imbalance here. At a certain time, at a certain point, we had the imbalance area here. I don't know whether you guys are seeing what I'm saying. So the market had to come fill it. You understand? I don't know whether you guys are seeing. So depending on these two dirty candles that we have in here, the market was rejected. So it gave us a very strong bold candles moving upward. I see. So from there, we received these no more winches. Normally, as we are doing the what they call the teaching, this one of the lessons. I have this diagram. I don't know if you're seeing it, where we talk about the sell side liquidates and the buy side liquidates. Normally, those guys of ICT and SMC, I know, are so professional in this. We're having this something of the sky where the market is going to give us such moves. The market is going to move. I'm going to illustrate something to you, try to be observed. The market is giving us this move. The market is moving up and down, giving buyers entries and giving sellers entries. So at a certain point, the market is going to do this, to come and break it down like this. So my expectation would be that the market is going to come and give me a retest at this level. This area, the market is going to retest from that move. Then from there, it go downwards. Unfortunately, the market just broke the level, then went back upwards. So normally, those guys of the SMC, they know what I'm talking about. So that's what we mean by a liquidity sweep. It means that they had to collect all the sources of sellers or all buyers that were downwards. Here, you understand? Yeah, so I hope I'm clear to this. Allow me to proceed with our analysis. Just I was giving you a simple image to give you the image that we're having on board on a monthly time frame. So after knowing that, we come to this area. So this area, I'm seeing the market is having another rejection points here. The market is rejected at that area. Why is it rejected? Here downwards, we're having also what we call the imbalance, the gap. Normally, those of you in WCK, finally we gave a name to our strategy. Our strategy today was given a name. We're gonna call it the impulsive strategy. You understand? The impulsive strategy, where we are dealing with what we call the drilling ranges, then expansion of what? Extractions. So this is the imbalance we're having in our sale. So I was expecting the market on CPI, on NFP to come down to fill this area or to go back upwards from there. And those ones that were in my VIP, they were able to take that trade. Therefore, the market was respected. Okay. And proceed. So what I have to take here, after us knowing that the market was rejected from that area, proceed to the lower time frame. Now we are looking for entries. We come to the 1 week. 1 week, you're saying that the market is respecting our what? our analysis from the higher time frame. I see this is called CPI. The market just came from up, then it respected this area, and this candle is see, it came on top to this area, then it went upwards. You remember that well. So now here it means that we are expecting some pullbacks. We call them pullbacks because the trend is still selling. Let us go very away of that. The trend is still moving. So I'm expecting my pullback to come, and my pullback, I'm expecting it to come. Those of you that are targeting to receive some sell, some sales will come. I'm expecting something of this kind. Then from that area, it's where we shall proceed downwards. That's number one. That's the move that we're expecting. Number one move. Understand? Because the market is still ranging upwards. So at that level also, the market will come back to this area, then downwards. Do you understand? I remember I did this last time before we proceeded to the NFP. Those who were in my channels, they were able to make some money from gold. Those who were following seriously. So after us observing that thing after observing this on the higher time frames, then we proceed to a daily. Now, why you come to daily time frame? Normally, we come to daily time frames as targeting today or the intraday trades. We're looking for trades of today, the trades that you might take on that very, very day. You understand? So from there, I'm gonna focus at these three last candles, the three last candles. These ones. These are the candles that are gonna give you the move of the following day that is coming up next. This is the candle that is gonna give you the move. Those three candles are gonna give you the actual move of the following day for the trades that are gonna be taking that after the following day. You understand? So what you do here for you to be successful to avoid risks, what you do here, since this is gold is normally volatile, it can move. Now, before you do that, let us first identify the highest of those. The highest is here, the blue card, see that's the highest, and the lowest is already marked. Don't go on making your chart very dirty. You understand? Eh? Don't make your chart very dirty. So after you find that, then you're targeting the candle that is going to come from here. Is it continuing upward or is it going downwards? You understand? So that candle will give you the trend of the what? The day, depending on those two plastic candles. Then from there, we proceed to the next time frame. Remember what we're doing is that we're looking for entries. You make your chart wider so that you get a clear move. Those who manage to trade with us, they're able to catch this move of CPI of NFP. According to what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing that the market was rejected at a certain point. You remember those of you that who had our setup of last week, a setup of gold, that area was marked as our weak sell area. Do you remember? If you were very observant with me last week, that area was marked as the area of rejection. It was marked as the weak sell area. The market, if you look very close on the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame, the market gave us a strong push at that level. Then from there, it checked, even to open up another candle, check it. So after opening up another candle, the market had to go the same area still, and the candle was also rejected, giving to those guys down that time from strong sales. But according to the push of the momentum of the candles, we might continue to go upwards, and we will be able to see the setup on a brain. I'm going to toss it to the night before the market opens next today, the following day. So we proceed to the 1 hour time frame. You see, the same area as the 1 hour time frame. So what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting this market, I'm having rejections here. I'm expecting the market to come either to fill this area or to give area to those three candles. You understand? I'm trying to show you. Or if not that, the market will come and respect this area. Why am I using that? The market is not going to be able. The market won't be able to come from here. Now, this is what I'm saying. Either to give us a first entry and proceed upwards here. That's number one. You understand? Or if not so, the market is gonna do this. It will come from here, then to this level, just here. You understand? And after doing that, it can even come back here. First give some little pullbacks, then come back just the areas of NFP. You understand? Then it gives you a strong real buy entry. You understand the point? So this is what someone will trade called. You will be targeting areas for you to start knowing what you're going to do. Always and always wait for the next candle on the day time frame open up. If it opens up where it is red, you expect to take rates, especially in the new obsession. For you to confirm that candle, it has to be an obsession. You understand? Unless when you're gonna trade when you're gonna trade London sessions. If you're gonna trade London sessions, normally you consider the trend. That I'm waiting for the market to reverse from here. I'm waiting for the market to do this, then I go with the trade. You understand the point? Yeah, so that's briefly my analysis on gold. I'll be waiting for inquiries. Before I proceed, let me give you some mics. You tell me what is your view and what is your say. I'm seeing billionaire dollar raising up one hand. Bro, what's your point? So, Mr. Dollar, you got the mic. Chatting with the boy, similar way, no visibility. Okay, kati omukono oguzizaayo wansi olinayo ekibuuzo?
Sirinayo kibuuzo.
Anyone else with any question? Okay. Webanga tetulina, I'm seeing Matt Spike is having a hand. Okay. Matt, sebo tugamba ki? Matt, you got the mic.
Yes, so I was asking, why are you telling us that it is going to bounce at that second line? Yet I don't see any any what indicator is it? Yeah, that is going to make it like bounce, then it goes up that second line.
When you are doing analysis normally, Matt, you use indicators.
Yeah, hello?
Matt, whenever you're doing your analysis, do you use indicators?
Yes.
Hey, now that's the problem. That's why you're asking that. Normally, me, to get those areas of interest, I base on what we call the rejection points. We have what we call rejection areas, and we want to be able to identify rejection areas. On the normal way of identifying rejection areas, you know, price action. Like if you are using indicators, you won't be able to use to know that unless when you're gonna use a Fibonacci tool.
Okay. Yes, I can understand now. If I use the Fibonacci, then I wait for price to come to the discount. Okay, now I can get you, sir.
Yeah, so normally we got to analysis wanga aliko original version nga si wa bizigo. Muita nyo ebizigo aso kwa indicators. Normally ojja kola analysis osinzire nnyo ku price action. Price action ajja kukolera ky'oyagala bulungi. Ojalaba nga ne Fibonacci tuto gyetaaga. Wonolanga considering price action mu strategy of your position. Okitegedde?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Unless you need to use it,
That's all.
Okay, thank you so much. Planning kit. You got a mic, bro.
Gyebaleko funded.
Kale bro, gyebaleko ki ekiriwo man?
First of all, thank you for allowing VIP at least to have some change. Thank you. Then kati nze mbadde ndaba nti price ya gold ya closing above the previous high of 1933 awo eno week eno. Ndaba etannatuwa confirmation ya kugenda waggulu. Kyo kyogerako ki?
That's it. Kituufu nnyo kyoyogerako. Nze wetwabadde ofuwinga gye tutandikidde ku daily ku monthly time frame, balaze nga the market is still having a continuation of selling. Understand? Majority are looking for buys, which is very right according to NFP move. Okitegeera bro. Kati kiba kitegeeza nti omuntu okufuna entry ennungi accurate yandibadde asinziira nnyo okuba nga akatale akalekere kabayinga bwe nobeera ng'onoonya entry za kuseeringa. Okitegedde? Because the market, to be honest with you guys, I don't think that the market has changed yet to give us some buys. Either tomorrow on Monday, but the confirmation but my confirmation I give is that on Monday it will depend. Singa kandi eggulawo ng'eri strong ya red, kijalaga akatale kagenda kukaseeringa. Okitegedde? We shall be looking for sell card entries. If the card opens when it is a blue card, like yeah, bullish, you understand? It will be a very good confirmation for you to start looking for buys to the following day. Okitegedde kid?
Okay.
Yeah. Akatale kanaatukonfirminga tetunafuna confirmations za kubayinga right here. Tulaba nti akatale kachange. Don't forget that in the same week we are having CPI.
Yeah.
Okitegedde? So anything can happen. CPI asobola okujja kayinza obayinga Monday ne kabayinga Tuesday ku Wednesday ne tuseeringa strongly because straight tena huwera fold. Tena gifiiringa bulungi.
Kale papa gye mbadde
Okitegedde kid?
Nkitegedde.
Yanenga to confirm kano mukanoti nge mwena abali live to confirm trade gye tugenda trading gold ku lunaku lwa Monday. Always mugumiikirize tulabe kando ya daily chart. Kando ya daily chart eguddewo ya kalachi. Webanga it is a bullish candle with a strong move, amanya tugenda kunoonya entries za bullish. Wezibanga it is a bearish candle, we shall always look for yesuga yakimba kugiddewo zi highs ne zi lows ku daily time frames. Okategedde bro?
Kategedde.
Okay. Unless tunaye ekibuuzo ekirala.
Kati sales
You have any question?
we closinga ng'eri mu red. Sales ozinoonyeza mu time frame ki? Mu session ki?
Oba oyagala kufuna sales entuufu, real sales of singa akatale kanajja ne kaba nga kaseerinze ne kando gye baleese ku daily ya sale. Okitegedde? For you to confirm that, always wait for New York session to gold.
Okay.
Era onoba oyagala scalping, you can scalp some money during London session, but to be honest, with your money, wait for New York session, especially for those USD players.
Kale papa.
Okitegedde? Okay. Kujanga aliwo mulala yokusiza kugenda aba. I'm not seeing any other hand. Let me just proceed. Thank you for your time, Mr. Kid. Okay. Now, guys, I'm taking you back to our chat. Then that's what we got. So let us proceed to another pair that we trade. It is GBP/JPY. Now, on this pair, I would like to thank those guys that took my setup as a serious issue. They were able to make some money. Hope everyone is seeing what I'm seeing here. First of all, we marked our areas the low risk buy. All of you are observing the low risk buy was respected, isn't it? We received some good pips. Let me show you what pips did we make from the low risk buy areas. And those ones in my VIP, they can witness this, the special ones. You see? So those ones who traded the low risk were able to capture 166, almost 167 pips in the previous week on GBP/JPY. So take example, but guys, we never set up says one. It's where the dollar respect because it's young, very serious. That's what the low risk buy area. And then they continue up here to give us according to what we call the break of market structures. Yeah? The market was able to give us some continuation moves, and this low risk sale was not respected back. However, when CPI came in, was able to push already come downwards giving us an entry to go on to proceed with buys. So me, what I was targeting here, I was really targeting this expected sell area. Remember, this is the higher time frame. Understand? Expected sell area was able to give us some good moves. I hope everyone is saying this. The market reached our expected sell area and it gave us a sell. So let us first make analysis on GBP. I'm gonna remove all this stuff. I redo the analysis for you guys. So kindly, you have to mark that area. Mark that area. We continue. I'm gonna show you from there. I'm closing up everything. Then we start again the analysis. What did I depend on to make that area to be my expected sell area? When you go to the monthly time frame of GBP I don't know whether all observing the chart. Let me make everything. So, when you come to a monthly time frame, our monthly time frame, the market is we're having here the highest. And this highest was filling the gaps here. So, after me identifying the highest, I'm going to mark it. Allow me mark it. Like I told you earlier, let me not repeat myself about this. The reason as to why I always mark the wedges and I don't mark the candle closures. You understand? So this is the highest we are having. It means that the market is still having a continuation there. So from there, I'm gonna mark this area. I'm having a logic candle here, and this is the area where the market is at. The market is there now, as I expect to give me to JPY. Our current move is respecting the price action. So respected depending on this logic candle there. That's going to be turn out to be our rejection area. That's why it's respected. Let me make it context to make it different from the other one. So after identifying that, let us not even go far. Let us look at these candles. Before we go to look to those two candles, remember the trends. According to what I'm saying, the market is trending because it's giving us an uptrend on a monthly time frame. So I'm going to mark these last three, the last four candles on the monthly time frame to make it more easier for us to understand. Let me mark this wedge here so that you see the time frame. But that's what I'm trying to show you. Even if not so, even you can mark this area, the rejection point is also okay. So from there, let us proceed to the weekly time frame of GBP JPY. Let me hope all of you guys, your eyes are on GBP JPY. Let us analyze together. So on GBP JPY, this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. Okay. So according to what I'm saying on GBP JPY, I'm saying a stronger move here. I'm saying this strong candle. You see, this candle is very strong. According to what I'm saying here, the candle is strong. You see, now it closed. It was giving us a very strong buy move. You see, that's GBP JPY from that area. However, the candle not didn't close in a good way that we expected it to close in. So after identifying this on the weekly time frame, remember the reason why we're going to this higher time frames, we are trying to identify the trend. Also on the weekly time frame, I'm seeing the trend is giving us a bullish trend. I don't know whether I'm very clear. Okay. Then from the weekly time frame, you proceed to the daily. We use the same tactic that we have used. Once you come to the daily, now this is what I'm having on my daily time frames. I'm having the same picture. I think it's the same thing that all of you guys is having your time frames. I'm on GBP JPY. I'm on GBP JPY. So after identifying that, I'm gonna see that according to my daily chart, this is going to be now the highest here. The highest. It's going to be my highest. That area. And according to record market structure, according to the market structures, the market gave us the change of character. In the daily time frame, indicating that the market is changing from sellings to buyings. However, this change of character was not confirmed. You understand? It's not yet confirmed. With the daily time frame, so this area is now turning out to be our nearest highest, but the swing high are very near. It means that I'm expecting the move. Or could I hope selling, I'm going to go from this level. Little cells. You understand? The day time frame. I don't know whether I'm very clear. So from there, you proceed to for our chart. 4-hour chart. You see the 4-hour chart. The market is confirming a change of character on the lower time frames. If you remember very well, this is the area that had marked as our expected what? Our expected sell. I don't know whether you all remember that. And when the market reached there on the 4-hour, the border closed, giving us a sell what? A sell signal. You see? It was giving us a sell signal. It means that those that are targeting buy on 4-hour and wait for this rejection point. I may take my buys from here, because to be honest with you guys, according to the daily time frame, the last 3 or the last 4 candles on GBP JPY are indicating buyers to be stronger than what the sellers. You understand? And according to the structure of the market, it is showing that the market is changed from selling to buying. Hope I'm very clear. So this level where market is the rejection point, that's where I'm expecting the market to come and bounce from to give us a buy. It means that now as I speak, on Monday we might go in for some little sales to proceed. So before, let me show you what am I saying you're going to say. When you go to these lower time frames, the lower time frames are the 15 and 30, let me say. It's 15 giving, When you come to the 15 minutes, you're going to see that a change of character is already confirmed of selling. We have the break of market structure, we have a day one more, and the market continued in the other direction. Then from there, it came and gave us another high, so the nearest high here. So at this level, I'm expecting my markets, this area, tomorrow on Monday, I'm expecting the candle to open and give us sell entries from there. So it means that what I'm expecting, the Dutch, we shall be trading GBP JPY at that level. I don't know if someone's having any analysis is different from mine, you can tell me. But this thing, you're not going to overtrade, like to target a lot of things here, and because the market is expected to give us a buy. So this is the move I'm expecting. The market is going to come, yes, to test the entry for sales, then we sell to this level, then we proceed upwards. You understand? Let me give you another color. That's what you're expecting. So I'm bringing out the mic to you guys. Give me your view. GBP, JPY. That's my view. So anyone to speak about the GBP, JPY? Anyone? So you mean all of you guys are having the same analysis that I'm having on GBP, JPY? So at that level, we shall be selling GBP, JPY. For any changes, I'll be tossing you guys the setups in the channel, in our public channel. You're going to receive the setups. So if you have any questions, allow me to do the last analysis of the USD. I'm not seeing any hands. Allow me to do the last analysis of the USD. We proceed. And those of you that last time took the setup I gave in before NFP, we are so grateful. The sale was very late. We were able to make some good sales. So the other pairs I went with the analysis because I normally give them to my VIPs. So the same thing I'm having here on the USD, it also almost reached our area, our expected areas of sales. The market reached there. Almost. So I think what I'm seeing here, it is the same, almost is the same move with the gold. So tonight, guys, kindly wait for my setups. I'll be dropping you guys the setups in the channel. In case of any inquiries, I'm very free to you guys. I am totally free. I am very free to you guys. You ask me anything you want. You ask me anything you want. This was having a question planning kit. Bro, you got a mic. Use it.
mbadde mbuuza ku setup ya GJ kati ate kubanga ndaba eyo sale is just a pullback okudda ku breakout eno wakyali neninda waneno we are breaking it out nze nembayingira awo.
Yeah, you are right. GBP JPY, since this pair is not moving the same way with USD pairs, normally that could be our sell area, because even last time you remember, I had marked it as my expected sell. And to be honest with you guys, even I left a trade there. I can show out the trade to you. I left in my trades. Let me take you to my my trade. I was selling. Yeah, those delete my note. I'm gonna show you something. I took some trades on GBP JPY before the market closed. What was my account number? GBP JPY, where are you, bro? And these trades were left in big blues. I'm gonna show you. Keep online, please, before you go. The chart. I'm sharing out the screen to you guys. I want you to see this. I'm gonna rate you the entry we had, and you see. I'm sharing out the screen to you. Have you got the screen? So that's the trade. Now I'd already executed those trades, and I was trying to give them to you, as I've shown you. Now, from there, we shall just proceed. GBP JPY, now I took my trades already on that same entry. So, planning kit. GBP JPY is going to give us a strong sell. We like it or we don't like it. In this entire week, we might even be going in for some sales. However much even buys will be there, because the trend, if you look at the daily time frame, the last 3 candles are indicating us that we are having some buys. Looks like the plan kit.
Yeah, let's take it.
Yeah, and we don't want to use it here. Prepare to stop them. So set up singing about I am gonna. One of my special ones like to speak something. Bro, you got a mic. Use it. Raise. We are just open our inbox. I'm a number open. Why is it? Because it's subscribed to the VIP. Raise, people are listening to you, bro. What I say? James, I'm a predator. So, the guys were speaking. Like I was saying, guys, I'm going to introduce the setups to you this very week. Today, this very day, I'm going to be just review the setups, but kindly always react to those setups to show the support. You know, when you don't show that you are seeing, I see that guys have read the thing and they went away. I might think that they're not interested. You understand? So, your reactions mean a lot to us. And kindly, the last thing is, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educative videos like making live analysis this and even talking about the profiles. Understand? Yeah. So you say, boy, the man the king, allow me to stop there unless when you have someone who wants to say something, if I close, you can place the hand there. Place the hand so that I give you the mic if I close the live. Okay, because you got the mic. Because we have our mic, use it. We have the mic, use it very well. So these guys, they don't have network. You also have the mic. You also have the mic. Traders. Okay. I'm closing out the live. I'm not hearing this guy speaking. So shall start from there, guys. Thank you for attending. Many of you fan became. Guys, kindly have a nice weekend.